Hi, this is Joe from changeyourname.com, and today we're going to change our name in the state of South Carolina. Now, the first thing that you want to do is look in the description area of this video and click on the link right next to the word instructions so that you can follow along with us. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that we have narrowed it down to 5 simple name change steps in the state of South Carolina. With the first step being, you have to get your fingerprints taken at the nearest law enforcement office. In order to start the name change process, you'll have to get a background check. It costs $25. You'll have to sign a few affidavits saying that you do not owe alimony, you're not a sex offender, and that hopefully you don't have a criminal history. Now you're able to proceed with the filling out of a South Carolina name change petition. And it looks a little bit like, hopefully, like a PDF. And it's pretty self-explanatory. We don't really have to open it up. But you're going to have to get your petition notarized, so you want to make sure that you bring it to the bank for when you want to sign it. Or you can have it signed by the court clerk. They're usually a notary. And you want to file the petition at the county court clerk's office where you live. Pay the $150 filing fee, and you'll be given a court date. If you don't know where your court clerk county office is, you can just click on here, and we give you a link to a nice map in South Carolina. Again, this is what the name change petition looks like. Let's close that. And close this. This is the South Carolina Judicial Department. This will have all the, this is that link that goes to all the courts. And here's that nice map. Loading a little slow today. But you just click on the county where you are, and it'll bring you right to the court where you need to file it. Again, you're going to have a $150 filing fee. And the next step, you want to go to your court hearing, and upon completion of your hearing, you'll be given a name change decree. Now, that's a very important form, that name change decree, because you're going to be able to use this to change your name at the DMV, Social Security office, passport agency, your bank, anywhere that you want to have your name changed. And that's it. That's how you change your name in South Carolina.